requested to stand for our prayer. We're having a prayer. Dear God, God of this class, we ask for your presence and guidance. Let's learn together, not only make learn and grow in knowledge and understanding. Amen. Amen. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Laura. Okay, take your seats. Okay, take your seats. We're absent today. Tunyan, we're absent today. How many boys are absent and girls? Sorry, buddy. Okay, there were 5 students who were absent today, okay? So, how are you today? Good. How was your vacation? Thank you. Awesome vacation. Okay, are you all ready for our lesson this morning? Yes. Okay, so before we start our lesson, I want you to be reminded in our class rules in which are going to apply later on. So first, of course, you have to show respect to anyone inside and outside the classroom. Listen attentively, especially when I am discussing. Participate actively in the discussion and activities. Speak only when called or recognized and stand out to give the answer. Manage your time wisely, and of course, all cell phones must be in silent mode. Again, all cell phones must be in silent mode. Is that clear, class? Yes. Okay, so I have clear class a video. All you have to do is to watch the video, and because later on I will give you some questions. Are you ready? Yes.
Evolution, the climate change. What is our climate? Living climate is changing. Our climate is a very strong level for a very long time. Usually, countries are thousands of years for the climate change. And recently, our climate has been changing much faster. All these changes make life harder for plants, animals, and for people around the world. And the biggest cause of climate change is humans, including mankind. When we use fuel, like oil and gasoline, from the forests to make room for cities and farms to release greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, these greenhouse gases are the planet's warm. When the heat from the sun warms our planet, some of the heat reflects back into space. This greenhouse gases act like a big branch, leading to the This extra heat can cause all sorts of problems to our planet, to the plants, animals, and people who live here. Our ice and snow are melting faster. Our oceans are getting warmer and hotter, and our weather is becoming more extreme, with more heat waves, heavy rainfalls, and powerful hurricanes. Luckily, many countries around the world are working together to fight climate change, and there are lots of easy ways you and I can help too, like reusing things instead of throwing them out. Instead of driving, why should I protect the most? Use less electricity, and eat food going closer to home.
Okay, so what problem is presented in the video? Yes, very fast. Very good. The climate change. Okay, have you witnessed any extreme weather events such as floods or droughts that you think may be the cause by climate change? Have you experienced? Only in a shown experience? Yes? Okay, God, you remember the last time? I think that's month of December, there is a big flood that happens in the Orlando City. And I hope none of you is the victim of that flood. Alright, what are the impacts of the climate change in the human society? What are the impacts of the climate change? Have you observed some impacts of the climate change? How about the thing that we feel nowadays? What have you observed? This is so very hot. Are there impacts? Yes? Agabi, you're seeing it?
There are impacts such as melting of glaciers and the hotness.
Okay, based on the video, na yung melting of the glacier and the hotness na from the bating karon. Nabihin niya na?
Yeah.
Alright. How can we mitigate and reduce the effects of climate change? How can we mitigate or reduce the effect of the climate change? Yes? Beha, you're raising your hand. Yes, how can we reduce? Saan na tayo pag-reduce? Yes? Okay, going to use our renewable energy or recycling the things that are recyclable. Gusto nila dito sa video? Patong? recyclable things. Okay, class, the video that we present shows a problem solution. And today, our lesson will be based on the grammatical signals or expressions suitable for problem solution pattern or idea development. Our learning competency is, everybody read,
Use appropriate grammatical signals or expressions suitable for problem solution pattern or idea development.
okay, what is the skill that you're going to master?
Problem solution.
Use and what?
Appropriate
Grammatical signals. So again, what is the skill that we need to master?
Use appropriate grammatical signals.
Okay, very good. And our focus is on the problem solution pattern or idea development. Okay, so before going through, let us analyze first difficult terms we have found in the lesson. The word use means to employ or to utilize, or in our own language, use is a gamiton. Then, appropriate means something that is suitable or fitting for a particular situation, person, or purpose. So just like when we go to any occasion, we are going to fit in or use the appropriate dress code, especially if there's a wedding, no? National selective team. So you will use appropriate dress code, especially when we go to school. We follow appropriate dress code. So you say appropriate, fit, insakto. Then we have grammatical signal expressions or words or phrases that connect ideas of sentences and paragraph for coherence. Remember, we discussed already some of the coherence devices. So these grammatical signals also are some of the phrases that help to connect ideas in order to write a good paragraph or sentences. Then the third one is the word pattern. It is the repeated or regular way in which something happened or is done. So we follow certain patterns. So we say pattern, repeated or regular way with something. Then, what is then idea development? So idea development, everybody read?
It is the manner or pattern by which a writer or speaker explains his or her idea or a topic in a paragraph.
Okay, so that is we're going to focus. It is a manner or pattern by which a writer or speaker explains his or her idea about a certain topic. So we all know that we are all a writer and a speaker, and we are to share our ideas. Alright. So why do you think class it is important to learn how to use appropriate grammatical signals as a student? Especially if we are going to use grammatical signals in a problem solution. Manong importante ng mga kabalutaan in order for us to, yes, Naga? Okay, everyone to understand and give clear ideas by using grammatical signals. Like for example, Ma'am Tito will give you class will give you class a task to write a persuasive essay using a problem solution. So if you don't know how you're going to write it carefully. So let us know the importance of the lesson. Everybody read.
Learning how to use appropriate
Grammatical signals or expressions suitable for problem solution pattern or idea development is important because it allows individuals to clearly communicate their ideas and proposals for addressing specific issues and challenges. After our lesson, you should be able to use appropriate grammatical signals or expressions to complete paragraph with a problem solution pattern of ideas. So, it is really important that as a student, we will know how to use it appropriately in order for us to write or share our ideas. Alright? So, again, let us be reminded of our class rules. Please show respect to your classmates, listen attentively, and participate in our class. Okay? So guys, I have here a paragraph. Shall we all read together? I will give you a sheet. So you have this with you for yung eyes. So we will read this together, and you're going to read and understand the paragraph in order for you to answer the given questions later. Okay, shall we all read together? Ready? Okay, ready? Ready, go!
Nowadays, teenagers encounter numerous challenges that can lead to heightened feelings of anxiety. Recent surveys have shed light on the primary causes contributing to teenagers' anxiety. Due to these challenges, many teens feel overwhelmed and struggle to cope, experiencing physical symptoms like headaches and fatigue. Anxiety can also lead to mood swings and avoidance behaviors. Without support, this affects the teenagers' well-being, academics, and relationships. One way to solve this is by providing teenagers with access to mental health resources and support systems, such as counseling services, prepared support groups, and education programs aiming at developing another solution is to foster open communication and understanding between families and school communities as these can help create environments where the teachers feel safe expressing their emotions and seeking help when needed.
Now class, learn the process of teenagers' anxiety based on the pie chart. Yes, Naga? Very good. Now class, based on the chart, what is the primary cause of teenagers' anxiety? What percentage does yes or no have? Wait, what is the primary? The primary we have? Okay, we have academic pressure. What percentage? 35%. Okay, how can we minimize the feelings of anxiety and stress among teenagers? How can we minimize? How can we minimize? When I say minimize, usaon na ko nga ato ang mapaubos. We are going to relax. So, aside from that, how are we going to minimize? Why are we doing? Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, yes, no.
By providing teenagers with access to mental health resources and support systems, such as counseling service, for support groups, and including
Okay, very good, guys. By involving the teenagers into our mental health, so now mental health activities. Now, class, how will these findings impact the ways and parents, educators, and mental health professionals support the well-being of a teenager? How? Yes?
These findings may be change in how parents, how professionals, how they support politics on the
Okay, so this help now, aside from that, help the parents to bring on the professionals, no? And also, what are the other things for that? To guide the teenagers. Alright, class. The next that we read is a problem. So, is that presents a problem about what's the problem? The causes of anxiety or stress among teenagers. And it also shows suggested solutions to the given problem. This paragraph is an example of a problem solution pattern. Are you with me? See it properly. Alright. Now class, we have just learned the different patterns for idea development, and we know that it refers to the structure of writing and how the ideas are being presented. In writing one of the pattern of idea development, we have the problem solution pattern, cause and effect pattern, general to particular pattern, and claim to counter claim. But today, we will focus on the pattern of idea development, problem solution pattern. Now class, what is a problem? Everybody?
It refers to the access of communication
Okay, so if does not give you, it gives you trouble or difficulties, it is considered as a problem. Solution refers to the way in solving or minimizing problem. A problem solution pattern of idea is idea that develops, used when a writer identifies or a problem and address it by presenting one or more solutions. Okay? A problem solution pattern presents a problem and a suggested solution. So that will be our skill to be mastered today. Now, there are some of the grammatical signals that we can use to express ideas in a problem solution pattern. So I will give you now a copy of this. Okay, just keep it understand. There's nothing here. What's her? Okay, sige. We have there, class, there's other different grammatical signals that we can use in the using problem solution pattern. So we have there, everybody, the grammatical signals expression, the problem is, everybody, the problem is, this problem, one problem is, and it functions as is to present the specific problem. So thank you guys, read together the example, ready, go. The problem is that people are not properly disposing of their trash. This problem harms the people. So what grammatical signal use? The problem and this problem. Now number two, we have the grammatical signal, a reason for the problem. Function, it introduces a reason behind the problem. So of course, we can give also reason about a certain problem that comes out. So example, the high demand for fossil fuels is a reason for the problem of the carbon emissions. Alright guys, we move on to another grammatical signal. The question is, which functions to introduce the main question or issue to be addressed? So sometimes you can give also this question. So example, everybody read girls?
The question is how can we reduce plastic waste and its harmful effects on the environment?
Okay, what grammatical signals? Yes, we have the question key. Any function is to
Introduce
the main question or issue to be addressed. Now let's have another grammatical signals. Everybody read the cause, okay, it functions is to explain what is causing the problem. Everybody read example.
Not every rainfall causes the river to overflow its banks,
Resulting in a severe flooding in Nevada. So what causes? That cause of the heavy rainfall. Okay, now let's move on. Another grammatical signals is yes, continuous and tag. We have because and since. The functions is to yes, tag out. Okay. Indicates the cause of something. Okay. Some that provides a reason for the cause. So okay, so we went there. Are we familiar with the because and since? Yes, we always do it. So everybody read example. The streets have become littered and unsanitary because many people in the community are not properly disposing of their trash. Okay, what does it indicate? That's the cause? It's the cause? Because many people
in the community are not properly disposing of their trash.
very good. Now let's move on to another grammatical signal. So that class explains the desired outcome. So first, since we're going to give a solution, you also give some desired outcome. So I'm going to study hard so that I can pass the exam. Are you with me? Yes. Okay, now let's move on. Grammatical signal is one of the leading causes of introduces a problem as the leading one among others. So we cannot deny that there are a lot of problems that we have out in our society. But we can actually explain to them that this is one of the leading problems. So example, climate, everybody read?
Climate change is one of the leading environmental concerns today.
Okay, what is the leading concern? Environmental. And leading concern? Climate change. Alright, next is as a result of. Are you familiar with this?
Yeah.
Okay. As a result of explaining the consequence of the problem. What are the consequences of the specific problem? For example, everybody read together.
As a result of the improper disposal of trash, the streets have become littered and unsanitary.
What's the consequence of the problem?
The streets have become littered.
Very good. The streets becomes littered and unsanitary. Now, class, we have another grammatical signals. Girls, everybody read. Please. Let to. Which. Number base. Again, girls. Let to. Which. Two. Okay, functions is to.
Explain the effects of the cause.
Okay, so there's grammatical signals. This leads to, which leads to, explains the effect of the cause. Guys, everybody read example. Ready? Go. Boys, there you go.
The excessive use of pesticides in farming lead to the contamination of nearby water sources.
Okay, what's the effect of the cause? What's the cause? What's the cause first?
Lead to the
Excessive use of pesticides. Alright, now, let's move on to another grammatical signal. Boys, everybody read.
One possible solution is one way to solve this or address this.
Okay, and if functions is to
Offer potential solution.
Okay, everybody read example.
One possible solution to reduce carbon emissions is to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power.
Wind power. So again, how it is being used to offer potential solution. Now we have another one. We have therefore. Therefore draws a conclusion based on the presented solution. Okay, so everybody read example.
Therefore, we must take action to address climate change and reduce its impact on the planet.
Okay, so are you familiar with the word therefore?
Yes.
Okay, now let's have another solution. So sometimes also in a paragraph, not just one solution, but you can add up another solution. So you can actually use this grammatical signal, which introduces additional or alternative solution to a problem. Because sometimes there are solutions that are really hard to get. So you can actually find alternative solutions. So you can use the grammatical signal, another solution. Another solution to reduce energy consumption is turn of lights and appliances when they are not in use. Okay, are you with me?
Yes.
Basic property. Okay, another one is thus. Thus sums up the solution and its effect. Like for example, everybody read.
Constantly practice playing the piano every day. Thus, he was able to perform confidently during his recital.
Okay, to sum up solution, the word thus. Okay, next, in order to explain the steps necessary to implement solution. For example, in order to reduce waste, we can practice recycling. And the last one is we have, everybody read,
As a solution to solve this, to resolve this.
introduces a specific solution. Okay, boys, everybody read example.
Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power can be used as a solution to reduce carbon emissions.
Alright, are you with me?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so at the copy of said class, the grammatical signals functions even though they are just repeatedly in a different pattern, that they function different in each idea pattern of development. So you have to be familiar with its function. Now class, we have this short activity. Use appropriate grammatical signals or expressions suitable to problem solution pattern within development to complete your paragraph. Choose your answer from the choices. So I will do first, and then the next is we will do together and then you will do it alone. Are you with me? Okay, so we have this. I know. One of rising temperature is global warming. So my answer for this is one of the causes. One of the causes of the rising temperature is global warming. Then, one, the frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and wildfires, which leads to more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and wildfires. And then the third one, long issue, we have to address this issue. We need to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Are you with me? Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it together. Okay, ready? So you look at first the different choices and we'll read it together. Okay, shall we answer now? Okay, we have the different choices. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Okay, one, inadequate maternal nutrition during pregnancy. Yes. Are you sure? Problem is, okay, the boys can answer. Okay, now, one, a lack of essential nutrients in your mother's diet. Caused by, very good. Caused by, because it gives us the cause of the problem, right? Okay, now, this deficiency can lead to the health complications for both the strategies, including local rate and bird defense. What do you think is the correct grammatical? Yes, very good. Address this. To address this, it's important to ensure expectant mothers who have access to the balanced diets and free natural supplements. What do you think is appropriate? Very good. In number two. Alright. Okay. So are you ready? If now it's not your time to answer. Okay, it's your turn. In a sheet of paper, you just write your answer directly. Okay, write your answer directly, ha?
Wait lang.
Okay. So you try to answer this. Oh yeah, you can do it alone. Pastor, I'll just give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes, ha? Okay, sige na. Okay, sige na. Initial paper. I want to be more really prepared to answer our activity. Answer directly, class. Answer directly. Okay. Shall we check?
Yes.
Alright, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, papers up. Like open and papers up. Like let's see. Alright, let's check. Check your envelope, ha? You check your envelope. Okay. Okay, let's answer it together. One European country is the start of communicable diseases like influenza, tuberculosis, and HIV/AIDS. What's your answer? Very good. It's one problem. Okay, number 2. Let's start blank, please. Everybody correct. One, we easily transmit with individuals. They create future public health challenges. What's your answer? What's your answer? Because community, okay, we have because we easily transmit. Okay, now, one community space outbreaks and epidemics causing higher rates of death. Very good. Very good. Okay, next. What's the last? The medical signal to you. Very good. Let's solve this. Can we give ourselves class 3 class? How are you guys? Alright. So are you all ready? Are you all ready for our activity?
Yes.
Okay, before you start, please arrange your chairs properly, align your chairs properly, sit properly, and please be ready with our activity. So class, I want you to be reminded in our class rules. Upon launching this activity, please make sure that you are to follow with our classroom rules. Ensure respect with your classmates, listen attentively, participate actively, speak audio call, monitor times. When I say heads up, it's supposed to be done already, okay? And then of course, your cell phones must be in silent mode. Do not use your phone, okay? So we have class our activity. Everybody read the direction. Ready, go.
Use appropriate grammatical signals or expressions suitable to problem solution pattern of idea development. Complete the paragraph. Choose your answer from the choices inside the box.
So, okay, what we're going to do, you're going to use appropriate grammatical signals. So this inside, this activity is a pair activity. So pair ha, you find your pair. Pair. Ay, sila talaga yun. Okay, sige. So then this is sentence of 10 sets. So say set A, set B, set C, and set D. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, sige, I will give you now activity just in one term and then it's a round. Okay lang. Set A, set B, set C, and set D. Set B muna. It will be set A. Set A ka lang, where go, it will be set A. Okay, partner. Okay, work with your partner. You work with your partner. So, sila pa yung dito, partner na lumawag ng absent. Ikaw? You're the answer, di ba lang? In the space provided, ha? Okay, sige, work with your pair. Then face each other. Don't even let it go. Okay, that's up there. Take that A and you don't A inside niya. Set B, set B. C, isa. You work with your pair. Again. Tatag assign answer to. Ano yung answer to? Answer together lang. You work with your partner. Wait, you work together, wait. You have to make sure that you use it appropriately. Give me the direction. So it's almost 2 minutes. So 3 minutes na lang. Yes? Just read the direction. We work together. Okay, that's up. Okay, I'll spend 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. You write also your name, paper happy. Okay, time's up. Fingers up. Fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Yeah, fingers up. 5. Again. Fingers up. Okay, we will check. Exchange from the other seat. You need to check your own work na lang. Okay, sige. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, shall we? Okay, we'll only flash the correct answer. You check ha. Okay? Okay, these are the following answers. For set E, set A, set B, set C, set D, and another set A. Can you check? Okay, are you done? Exchange na, exchange. Exchange. Sige. Different property. Set C. Okay, you get 5. What's the score? Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you sure?
Yes.
You said, where is the Almighty? Give it 4. Get 4. How about 3? Okay, it's good. Well, you got a 0. 9-0? Okay. So, do you understand our lesson, class? Did you get our lesson? Please pass the papers, class. Kaya I will submit the answer. Okay, pass the silent reading. Okay. Okay, everyone set? Yes. Okay, now class. Can you think of any real-life situations where the use of appropriate grammatical signals or expressions or problem solution pattern can be helpful? Can you think of some situations where the use of appropriate grammatical signals or expression for problem solution pattern can be helpful? Yes? Oh, very good. In what way? You can have that. You can explain it. Okay, your classmate said, Ma'am, I think, Mom, this, the hot water, that's not the hot water, the hot water or the extreme heat na atong na-feel could be the possible situations that where we can apply appropriate problem solution. What way was the problem? The climate change. What's the problem? The high heat temperature. What could be the possible solution? To minimize, you have to drink water. Oh, drink water. A lot of water to avoid what? To avoid the heat stroke. Yes, very good. To avoid heat stroke. Okay. Remember, class, in what ways can the skills learned in this lesson be transferred to other subject areas of study? Can we still use the grammatical signals in mathematics? How about in science? Yes. Specifically, when you are asked to give your solutions. What are the topics that you discussed in math that you can apply this? I think you are now in the discussion of, you have there in your third quarter, you explained about mathematics. If the statements that you're giving is possible solution. So we can apply that one in mathematics, right? Okay. So now class, understanding problem solution pattern idea development can help us to think critically and creatively and to communicate our ideas and solutions effectively. So like in your science, in your mathematics, if you know how to use appropriate grammatical signals, especially a problem solution, you can actually creatively express your ideas and communicate well your ideas to or solutions to your classmate or your teachers. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Wait, are you with me?
Yeah.
Alright, so you will repeat if you can apply this one in mathematics or any other subject area?
Yes.
Alright. Now class, critical thinking, creativity, responsibility, and adaptability could be the possible things that we can use when we are to use appropriate grammatical signals. It will help us to think critically and then be creative, and of course gives us the responsibility to appropriately use those signal words, and of course adaptability. Now class, are you all ready for our quiz?
Yeah.
Are you ready for our quiz?
Maybe.
Okay, so before that, how do you define a problem solution pattern of media development? If you listen to our class, how do you define? Yes? Positive end? Okay. What is the problem? How do you define problem solution pattern of media? Yes? Okay, problem solving. Another idea. Another idea. How about Naga? How would you define a problem solution pattern of media development? Very good. In a paragraph, in a problem solution pattern, you provide the problem and a possible solution. Okay, how can a problem solution pattern be applied in your personal life to overcome challenges and achieve your goals? How can a problem solution pattern be applied in your personal life to overcome challenges and achieve your goals? Oh, have you ever encountered some problems in life?
Yes.
And we apply the knowledge that we gain in our lesson today. In what way? That, like what Naga said, that if there's a problem, you should solve or find a solution. Meaning guys, if there's a problem, press that press na. Kasabon or manumba. Right? So if there's a problem, you should find a possible solution to overcome that challenges. Alright, okay? Okay na ba? Since we all know that you have your different culture among your classmates, have you encountered some problems? Yes. Or what is the specific problem na ka? Yes. Vacation. Oh, okay, so dito, let's allow Nala to speak Tagalog because she cannot speak fluently the Bisaya. Kasi nga, you are, okay, so how did you overcome that problem? So now let's set class that she encountered some little bit challenge that there are some of the classmates or other people who would say, Oy, ang saday ka, like that? Okay, and then how did you overcome that? Okay, very good. So you just focus on your goal and of course, by finding solutions, you can also express yourself to them. Actually, we are all equal, right? Thank you so much, Naga, for sharing, no? So, and I found out also, class, that some of you really here find Naga as your friend, no? Because Naga is only mostly dito siya. Kaya na to, no? Different na mga ginawang na sa ila. They are all buutan and kanang pag ginawa mo, magyakabong pag ina sa class. Alright, are you ready for our quiz? Okay, your notebook, let's have a short quiz. Okay, let's have a short quiz. We still have 10 minutes. Okay, let's have a quiz. Are you all ready? Okay. Okay, everybody read the direction?
Use appropriate non-classic math or expressions to evoke problem solution pattern of idea development complete paragraph. Those structure multiplicated provided.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good one. You just share your classmate na. Hey, it's individual na niya. It's individual, you just share. You just share ha. Individual. Individual. Please share with others, please. In your notebook. Okay, also naman ang
Isip-isip yan ba?
just a bit. Nakawa na siya over here. We just share lang. Sorry. Okay, so we check? So we check now? Okay? It's check now? Exchange your papers. Notebook, sorry. Exchange your notebook. Okay, sige. Okay, everybody, check. One. Check na po eh. Okay. Sige, you got 10. Are you sure? Okay, sige. For your assignment, please take a picture, President, Past President. Okay, everyone read the direction. Wait, stop, everybody read. Okay, so